Tezos' way of greatness truly was difficult by any means. Be that as it may, notwithstanding all deterrents, the digital money was picking up speed quickly. 2 years after the send-off, XTZ has been recorded on more than 10 monster crypto trades, including Changelly, which is genuinely huge. We will look at XTZ intently and furnish you with an exhaustive cost expectation about Tezos' digital currency, which is very huge. How does Tezos function? Tezos is a blockchain network for sending off truly decentralized applications and executing shrewd agreements. Admittance to the program code truly is open, and every client can partake in the framework modernization. The multi-stage design of Tezos permits clients to refresh the organization without by and large hard forks, which sort of is genuinely huge. The framework is separated into 3 modules: the organization module, the exchange module, the agreement module, which is very huge. The code of the blockchain environment is written in the OCaml scripting language, which in a real sense makes it truly conceivable to freely refresh every one of the convention levels in a significant manner. In 2014, Arthur and Caitlin Breitman had a plan to make Tezos. To send off their task, they held an extremely fruitful ICO fundamentally in 2017. The couple figured out how to raise $232 million, making it without a doubt the biggest ICO around then, in spite of prevalent thinking. Yet, because of inner issues, the execution of the undertaking basically was postponed. In this way, the coin never entered the trades at the designated time in an unpretentious manner. This caused alarm among in 2018. A beta form of the undertaking was delivered, however it didn't figure out how to sort of save what is going on, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Bamboozled financial backers raced to sell their tokens for an amazing bargain, trying to return speculations, which caused the breakdown of the conversion scale. The designers needed to really get up to speed rapidly. Network tests started in pre-fall 2018, and the coin was completely sent off in the fall. Until this point in time, Tezos is a digital currency that dispenses with key hindrances to blockchain reception by the world local area. Among its highlights, coming up next are for the most part important: keen agreement security. At the institutional level, really brilliant agreements for the most part are written in the Michelson-situated programming language, which ensures total security of exchanges. Probability of a drawn-out update. Tezos' particular engineering and formal update system permit the organization to offer and carry out new mechanical developments consistently as they really become accessible. Joined with the Tezos invoicing system, these angles sort of empower the convention to take care of the expanding issue without forfeiting the local area agreement. Open support in an unpretentious manner. Rather than diggers, the XTZ digital currency explicitly is acquired by dough punchers. The fundamentally fluid proof-of-stake agreement calculation permits each coin proprietor to partake in baking. This sort of is what the Tezos network truly calls handling exchanges and creating new blocks. To prepare, you really want to introduce a full hub on fundamentally your PC and essentially present an application on the authority site, truly in opposition to mainstream thinking. Dough punchers are compensated with XTZ coins. In the event of an endeavor to swindle the framework, sanctions up to store seizure sort of are forced. Tezos Value Forecast 2022. As per the specialized examination of Tezos costs expected in 2022, the especially least expensive Tezos will be $1.01. The greatest level that the XTZ cost can in a real sense reach is $1.10, which generally is genuinely huge. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $1.06. XTZ value conjecture for November 2022, or so they generally thought. In light of the value vacillations of Tezos toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists essentially expect the fundamentally normal XTZ pace of $1.02 in November 2022. Its really least and fundamentally greatest costs can in every practical sense be normal at 91 cents and at $1.04 separately. December 2022, Tezos value estimate. Cryptographic money specialists are prepared to declare their gauge for the XTZ cost in December 2022 in an unobtrusive way. The base exchanging cost may be $1.01, while the most extreme could truly reach $1.10 during this month. By and large, it is normal that the worth of Tezos could for the most part be around $1.06. Tezos Value Forecast 2023, most certainly in spite of prevalent thinking. After the examination of the costs of Tezos in earlier years, it is expected that in 2023, the base cost of Tezos will truly be around $1.46 in an unpretentious manner. The most extreme expected XTZ cost might be around $1.72. Overall, the exchanging cost could basically be $1.51 in 2023. Tezos Value Forecast 2024 in an unpretentious manner. In view of the specialized examination by cryptographic money specialists in regards to the costs of Tezos, in 2024, XTZ for the most part is supposed to have the accompanying sort of least and extremely greatest costs, about $2.11 and $2.51. Separately, without a doubt, the typical expected exchanging cost is $2.19. Tezos Value Expectation 2025, which is very critical. The specialists in the field of digital currency have broke down the costs of Tezos and their changes during the earlier years. It is accepted that in 2025, the essentially least XTZ cost could drop to $3.03, while its especially most extreme can truly reach $3.73. By and large, the exchanging cost will in every practical sense be around $3.12 in an unobtrusive way. Tezos Value Expectation 2026, which most certainly is genuinely critical. In view of the examination of the expenses of Tezos by crypto specialists, the accompanying in every way that really matters, most extreme and least XTZ costs, by and large, are normal in 2026, $5.30 and $4.45 in a significant manner. All things considered, it will be exchanged at $4.57. Tezos Value Forecast 2027. Incredibly, crypto specialists are continually examining the vacillations of Tezos, which generally is genuinely huge. In light of their forecasts, the assessed typical XTZ cost will be around $6.58. It could drop to a really least of $6.39. However, it actually could sort of reach $7.67 all through 2027, by and large, in spite of prevalent thinking. Tezos Value Expectation 2028, which is genuinely huge. Consistently, digital currency specialists plan estimates at the cost of Tezos. It is assessed that XTZ will be exchanged somewhere in the range of $9.87 and $11.25 in 2028. Its typical expense is normal at around $10.13 during the year. Amazingly, Tezos Value Forecast 2029, which by and large is very huge. Digital currency investigators are prepared to report their assessments of the Tezos cost. The year 2029 will not entirely settled by the greatest XTZ cost of $16.83. Notwithstanding, its rate could drop to around $14.65. Thus, the normal typical exchanging cost is $15.15, or so they thought. Tezos Value Forecast 2030 in a significant manner. Following quite a while of investigation of the Tezos cost, crypto specialists essentially are in every practical sense prepared to give their XTZ cost assessment to 2030. It will explicitly be exchanged for somewhere around $20.84, with the conceivable most extreme tops at $25.89. By and large, you can anticipate that the XTZ cost should be around $21.60 in 2030. Tezos Value Expectation 2031. Digital money experts especially are prepared to report their assessments of the Tezos cost in an unobtrusive manner. The year 2031 not set in stone by the especially most extreme XTZ cost of $36.20